So as you can see on page 32, we're practicing finding a percent of the world's population. And this is a little bit repetitive. So here I show my process, and I started adopting the notation they were using. Instead of writing out the word billion, they just used a capital B. So again, the same process here. And I was able to confirm the values that were listed in the bar graph on the previous page. Notice that 500 million is the same as 500 million. And that was for Buddhists. And the Jewish religion is one of the smallest by population. So continuing on, this is a totally different topic, COVID case numbers. During the pandemic, I was paying attention to the news and just feeling like, yes, I knew it was really, really bad, but how bad was it? I really wanted to know how bad the pandemic was. And the math that you can do here helps you to get some sort of grasp on how bad is the COVID pandemic and how bad is it in the United States compared to Canada, compared to Mexico. So these were the case numbers as of January 2022. And the US had way more cases than Canada and Mexico, but then again, the US is a way bigger country, so maybe it's not worse in the US than other countries. We need a way to compare the relative severity of the pandemic in each country. What fraction of Americans have gotten COVID? What fraction of Canadians have had COVID? Is that fraction about the same in different countries, or are there dramatic differences?